Hello everyone, welcome to final part of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners, and this is the part 50. Okay, so in this video we are going to display user orders on our React app, and we will take the complete overview after this. Okay, so if you want to get these 50 videos, you can always join the channel. Okay, so let's start. We are going to create the orders component. Okay, so to display the orders, in the last video we have seen that we have created, in fact, the orders API. We have tested it. Okay, so this is the orders API in which we able to fetch the user orders, and those orders we are going to show here. We are going to show the orders link and going to show the orders user order in the same way like we have shown in the website as well. Okay, so the main orders, just order main details of the orders we're going to show. And so let's call the orders API in the orders component that we're going to create right now. Okay, so here in the last video we have created this thanks order. We have modified app and checkout.js as well. So we're going to create the new component now, orders.js. Orders.js. So we will add rect arrow function component for this one as well. Okay, and here we are going to import in the same way like we have done in the card and the checkout API, so we can copy paste because it will save a lot of our time. Okay, so these we can simply copy uh, these classes. Okay, and also we are going to copy here a few more things. We are going to copy uh, here, see, we will copy the search param as well that we require. Okay, so this one I'm going to copy here like this, and here also I will write here export default orders. Okay, and here we will create the new state const for orders, set orders, and we're going to use state. Okay, and after that we are going to call the API in the same way like we have called in the other APIs as well, this one. Okay, so we are going to call the API here, our orders API, user orders API we are going to call. Okay, and that API is that we have tested in the last video as well. This is the API user hyphen orders. Okay, so we're going to use this user hyphen orders with the user ID. Okay, so user ID, for user ID we will get here from the search params. We need to get from the search params user ID. So here we will get it like this, like we are getting in the checkout API. Okay, and we will fetch this API and its result. See result, we are going to get orders. Okay, here it's not user, it is orders. Okay, so we will get the orders because you can check in the API its response is in orders. Okay, so its JSON data is in orders. Okay, so uh, here now in return, for return also we can copy from here and then modify. And this div we can simply, I think, yeah, we can copy this one, this complete we can copy and we can paste here, and after that we can make changes. Okay, so here we can even write it here like user orders. Okay, and this one we can do it like this, and this one we can put it in s2, like we can do it s2. After that we can copy this one as well, and here instead of products it will come orders, orders.map, and instead of product object we are going to use here orders object. Okay, so here we are going to show link. We are going to remove. No link is required, just the information is required, and the details are like this, like order id, and 3 order id. Okay, so here we are going to use this order object dot id like this. Okay, and after order id we are going to show the grand total as well. We can check in our API the things we want to show with this grand total as well. So we can add here grand total rupees, and here we can remove this, and we can simply display the grand total here as well. And created on that we have generated in the last video, created on, we have updated its format, and this one also uh, we have created underscore on like this. Okay, so we can check once that how it looks. uh, See, this component we need to add. First of all, we need to add in app.js, otherwise it will not work. So here in app.js we need to uh, add this one, import orders. Okay, from orders like this, and this time I can copy and paste, it will save our time. Here orders, here it will come as well, orders. Okay, so final thing is we are going to add its route at the top, but here set products is not defined. We are going to check it, that what is the issue here. Set orders must be there. uh, Set products, where is the set products? We need to check that where we are using this one. Here it is, so it's wrong. We will use here set orders. Okay, like this. Now we need to check once again, and here we can simply open here orders. Okay, so we can check it like this, orders user id, user orders. Okay, finally we able to display the user orders. So all the user order details are coming, and we can make it align center. Okay, you can change its format if you want. You can update the css and make it look good. I'm not working on its css. Okay, see order id. Okay, order id is 58, grand total is this one, created on this one. Okay, and one more thing we can uh, write here to the users, so that the users will able to know that they can able to access the complete information on the website. If you want to access the complete order details, that is available on the website. Access complete order details on website, you can, because in basic version that much information is enough. Okay, so we can write it like this, access complete order details on website. Okay, otherwise he can able to see his orders grand total when he created. Okay, so see, if you are going to assess in mobile, you can assess it like this. Okay, it will look better in mobile. Okay, so these are the orders, and we will also show here the link, and that we are going to add in the user navbar. Okay, because user navbar is only works after the user logged in, and here we are going to add this one. We are going to add after this card link, we are going to add that link as well. I'm going to copy this one, and here I will add here the orders. Okay, orders, and here it will go to the orders with the user id. Okay, so we're going to check it as well. See, here the new link has appeared, orders. If I go to card and click on orders, it will directly take the user to the orders, and it will only be accessed if the user is logged in. If I will log out, then it is not accessible at all, you can see. Okay, so once again I'm going to log in here, amit100@yahoo.com. Okay, and we can able to access these orders once again, login, and here you can see the orders, and now we can click on orders, and you can able to see all the orders that the user have placed, and the last order is coming at the top. Okay, so that is the completion of the React app basic version, and you can able to do this complete process. You can able to shop. You, this is the home page. You can add the banners to the home page as well if you want. Okay, and this is the about us page, this is the contact us page, and this is the shop link in which we able to fetch the categories from the from our admin panel, or we can say we are using the Laravel as a backend, and we able to see we have added the categories here, if you will see, and these categories we able to display here as well. Okay, so this works in the same way like we are displaying the categories. If you will go to the home page of our website, you can see the categories are displayed here as well: clothing, electronics and appliances, and the same way clothing, electronics and appliances, and the categories are displaying under them. Okay, so you can able to access all the products here in the React app in the same way like we can able to access the products in our website as well. Okay, so see, once you will click on this product, and then you can able to see the product details that you can able to add in your cart. Okay, once you have added in your cart, see, I have added the product in the cart, and then you can able to check out. Okay, you can able to check out, and you can able to fill the delivery address and can finally place the order. Okay, so this is the simple app, and you can able to access the orders after placing the order. So this is the simple React app, and the final version, one more version, uh, I'm going to make this app online very soon, in few days, and after that you can able to access it anywhere, and I will teach you that how you can make this app online. Okay, how you can deploy this app. So that will be the last video, and after that you can able to get this source code as well. I will also explain that how you can able to get the source code. See, you can always join the channel. Okay, youtube.com stack developers, to get the complete react.js basic app, to learn about the React. Okay, it will give you the chance to learn about the React. Okay, so here you can always join the channel to get the complete react.js source code. Okay, and also you can always subscribe the channel to get more Laravel and React updates. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.